do another one so I can do like before and after.
Yeah,
Because I didn't do pictures.
it's building up though.
Oh no, that one over there. Look at that one.
No. It's building up.
How do you know when it's running out of water?
I don't know. It doesn't tell me. It just tells me to refill the tank. Safety cap will rotate, will not unscrew until the unit is full and pressure is released. Says when steam output is weak or intermittent, water level is running low.
Oh, so you have to kind of like guess it?
I guess once it starts like,
Yeah, the other one's better than that.
I don't know.
Okay, hold on, let me do a picture.